we'll do about 6 of these guys for you so you can get the general idea of things. So I squared. Square it, you get your -1. So I squared equals -1 is the key of all things here. If I have I to the 7th, what I like to do is say, well, how many I squareds do I have? We have 3 of them. That would make 6, but then there's still one more I left over. We're going to have I something, but remember this is -1 cubed. So negative times a negative times a negative, an odd number of times gives us a negative answer. Let's look at 19. 19 is, you have I squared, how many 2's go into 19? That would be 9. That would be 18, but there's one left over. So I have, again, an odd number of negatives, which makes a negative. And then I still have my I. So that would be -I is my answer. Let me move this up so you guys can see a little better. Again, that was how many I squareds fit in. That would be 9 of them, but there was one left over. And then the I squared is equal to -1. So this ends up being negative when you're done, and then you still have an I. Let's look at this one here. So I squared. So again, there's 2 2's that fit into the 4. That's a -1, but that's a squared, so that ends up being a +1 as my answer. I to the 9th, we have 4 of them that fit in with 1 left over. So again, that was 8 plus 1 more is 9. So this is -1 to the 4th. I definitely get an I, and this ends up being a positive when we're done because it's an even number of negatives. And our last one, we have 18 of them fit in. And I squareds are equal to a -1, and an even number would make a +1 as our answer.